In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make text vertical inside of Canva. So there are two ways that you can do this as demonstrated on screen. So you've got the effect where you essentially just rotate the text, and then you've got the true vertical text effect, which starts at the top and ends at the bottom. This keeps the letters upright, but just essentially creates a vertical text effect. I'm going to show you how you can do both in this video. So let's start with the first one. So if you go to text, you can then add any text. I'm going to add a heading here. So if we click on heading, we'll just write some text. So I'll just write here, subscribe. So now once I've done that, if I wanted to make the first effect, all I would essentially need to do is click on the text, and I could then rotate it here to 90 degrees, and you've got the first text effect. Now let's do the second one. So the second one is a little bit more tricky, but it is still very easy. So you've got your text here. Now what you want to do is click in between the first and second letter, then click enter, then click right on the keypad. And then essentially what you're going to be doing now is clicking enter for every letter. So click enter, click right, click enter, and you're essentially making a new line for every single letter. Now you may notice that the spacing is now off and it now looks terrible. So what I will do from here is click Ctrl A, and that's going to highlight everything. And from here, you can change the font and make it smaller. Now, once you've made it smaller, if it still doesn't look great, you can go here to the spacing button, which is going to be here on the text tools. And if you click on that, you can then change the line spacing. So you probably want to bring that down so the letters are closer together. And there you can see we've got the effect coming together. Now you may have to tweak this to your liking. So let me bring these a bit closer. But once you've found the perfect spacing for your text, it should look good. And then from there, you can probably enlarge it and make it bigger. So we're going to make this bigger. And now we can go ahead and move it. So that's how you can create some vertical text in Canva. You just have to essentially make each letter on a new line and then change the spacing.